I designed this cute Easter bunny gnome in Cricut design space. Make sure your design is sized to fit your round sign. Mine is about 15 centimeters. Cricut has a really helpful feature where you can take any shape, size it to match your project, and set it as a guide. This makes it super easy to visualize your design and ensures everything fits perfectly every time. Another really useful feature is material colors. If your design has the wrong colors or too many variations, you can easily swap them. You can even take multiple shades of the same color and turn them into one single color. See how quickly everything updates. It makes organizing your design so much easier. Load your adhesive vinyl into your Cricut and select the correct material setting. Let your machine cut all the layers. Now carefully weed away the excess vinyl. Take your time here. This is where your design really comes to life. I like to build my layered vinyl design first and then apply it to the project once everything is finished. So let's start with the gnome and see how easy it actually is, even with this many colors. The key is to begin with the large, simple pieces first. Those are the easiest to place and help you build the design without mistakes. Reuse your transfer tape. It doesn't need to be super sticky, just tacky enough to lift the vinyl. It's like putting together a little puzzle, just build it piece by piece, starting with the big parts and working your way down to the small details. I painted the sign blue. At first, I tried purple chalk paint, but the vinyl wouldn't stick well because that type of paint can be a bit greasy. With regular paint, the vinyl adheres much better. I started with the text first, so I could properly center the gnome and make sure I didn't run out of space for the wording on the sign. This is such a fun and easy Easter project, and it's perfect for beginners or anyone who loves quick seasonal crafts. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new uploads. And if you'd like to make this design yourself, you can find it in my shop. Just check the link in the description below. Happy crafting!